Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Player here. So today, you must have popped onto this video because you're using a software called Putty. No, I don't mean putty and like the thing, a toy that you play with, or the sort of squidgy element that you fiddle around with your hands and mold and do stuff like that. I'm talking about a software that simulates Unix systems for file management and other operating system related contents, memory management, etc. But with this assignment, you actually have to use this software called Putty to communicate. You might set up as a local host, but for me, I had to communicate with my university to actually set it up and do a set of tasks which they have provided as below. So first is the submitted file. They give you a few instructions like create a new directory, like using cd and then giving it a sort of name. They tell you to create subdirectories, remove existing file and directories. It's just self-instructions, but I'm just gonna let you pause and go through it yourselves. To be honest with these, I had to go through one of the online manuals that was provided to actually understand what some of these commands, because the demonstration is to explain, for example, what's ls and what does this do? What does pwd mean? What does cd mean? Those sort of things. And if you can't even explain that, that's gonna be a bit of a problem still. These are the cat commands as well, chmod, grep, and then this. Oh my days. I got mine working, but the only problem was there was no try and catch. I had to make it a well-maintained program to get the maximum marks, which I didn't. But I still did produce a working solution, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so right here, this is my notation of a working solution. I had to use a software called FileZilla to extract this from Putty itself, upload it onto FileZilla, and then push it into my local machine. This isn't going to be how your work appears. I had to use Notepad++ to actually decrypt a file, which is going to show you these things like this. This is garbage, workspace, things like this that ruins the beauty of your work. So I remember I had to go through all this, clean it up, because it was a serious mess. I've even known some people actually written a program that scans through your file and get rid of things like this, the so-called garbage, as we'll call it. So this is originally what it was, and this is my final solution. Let me just scroll there, where I've actually produced it all. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, all the way down to 3. Whatever with a ticket machine program. This is pretty much all there is to it. The solution is still needs some work to do, especially on 3.9. Holy damn, a 3.8 must. Oh damn, no, 3.8 must be missing. But if you do require my work, contact me through my Snapchat or Instagram, two of the social medias I'm very much active on, if you want to access this work and basically keep a copy for yourself. Other than that, make sure you like and subscribe, contact my social media as I said, and hope you have a good day. Peace out.